You're my everything. You just see me look, so anyway we got me sure if you come back. Just
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a review on a company called QueenLife. And this is how the wig looks straight out the package. Guys, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications and be sure to get all of them as well. Alright, so this is how the inside of the wig looks. Let's get this magic started. I did make it a little bit tighter and I tried on the wig. This was like the first time I was really putting it on, and yeah, it was a little bit big. I was like, dang. So I was like, you know what, let me finesse this a little bit. But then I was like, yo, I'm getting wet, so let me take off this wig, put it on a little mannequin head and work it from there. I did go ahead and pluck the front of the hair. I also created a part. I made the part a little bit wide, but it was workable though. See, there goes the part that I made. I was like, damn, I was like plucking away. Because it's so much easier when it's wet that you don't even have to like pull like crazy or like, you know what I mean? So I went ahead and I cut off the lace. I was trying to do it like how everybody else be doing it, you know, on camera and stuff. I was like, please don't cut my hair, y'all. I cut my hair the other day by accident. It's a long story. I'll tell y'all in another video. Anyway, so I created some little baby hairs because it just felt like it was something that was popping. To be honest, I actually like the way the baby hairs look before putting all that gel and stuff on it. Like, I think for straight wigs, I kind of like the baby hairs to be without gel. Like, you know, just kind of like there. Anyway, so I started using Pump It Up spray. And this stuff actually, it does work. This was actually the first time that I used it. So it wasn't perfect, but I'm getting a little better because I did it in a few other videos as well. So I just wanted to kind of, you know, make it all stay down, and I put my little blow dryer to kind of speed up the process. And I also was walking around the house for a little bit, turn off the camera, and then I brushed out this hair. I really like the quality of the hair because it's easy to maintain from what I see, and I didn't even have to do much. Just like by brushing and using my little flat iron real quick, it came so nice and straight. Here I was using my little edge, what is this thing called? I think it's called an edge comb or something like that. I've had it for years. And this is so good because you can really get your edges and it doesn't burn you because of the way it's constructed. I was using all the tools, y'all. Look at that. I used that to just kind of flatten the top. And then this is where it kind of got a little funky because I used the powder that I usually use, but I think being that I went on vacation, I got a little bit darker. Or it could also be because this lace is lighter, so it came up really light on camera. But it wasn't really too bad in person, like when I looked at in the mirror. So yeah, just to let y'all know that. This wig cap, like I said, I mean, this wig was pretty big, so it was a little bit of a lump bump in the back. I'm not sure what size I asked for. I don't think I asked or specified for a size, so this must be a large because, baby, it was so much space. But I worked it without putting a elastic band or anything. So let me know what you guys think about it down below. Thanks for watching. All information will be in the description area. Stay fabulous, live free, and soar limitless. Laters.